This recipe is 70 years old. My grandmother told me about it. You've never eaten chicken breasts like this? Let's start our recipe by making shallow cuts into 3 chicken breasts. If you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Next, we'll season with salt and black pepper to taste. Once done, spread all the seasoning over the chicken. Want to surprise your family for lunch or dinner? Then you need to make this recipe. Now set the chicken aside. Then in a frying pan, add a little olive oil. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir very well until the butter melts completely. Once the butter has melted, add 3 cloves of garlic. Place the garlic cloves in the middle of the frying pan. Once done, add the chicken breasts in here and let them fry. After browning one side, turn them over to fry the other side. If you like chicken, you need to make this recipe. It's delicious and quick to make. After frying both sides, remove the chicken and set aside. And if you are enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about the city or country you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now, using a fork, mash the garlic cloves like this. Next, add a chopped onion. Now stir well until the onion turns lightly golden. Once this is done, add a cup of chicken broth. Now add half a spoonful of garlic powder. Once this is done, add a can of cream, half a spoonful of salt, and half a spoonful of black pepper to taste. Once this is done, mix everything well. Now cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. After cooking a little, add the juice of 1 lemon. Then add the parsley to taste and mix. And what we are making is a white cream to finish cooking our chicken, which is wonderful. Now you are going to add the chicken breasts here. Then pour some of the sauce over the chicken. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. This is a simple recipe, but it will please all palates. It is perfect to serve at lunch or dinner. Now turn the chicken over and let it cook for another 5 minutes. If you make this recipe once, you won't want to eat chicken any other way. And our recipe is ready. You can take it out and serve it. And look how perfect it turned out. If you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10 to tell me what you would give this recipe. And I almost forgot to add some of our sauce, which was delicious. I hope you liked it. I'll leave it here. A big hug and see you in the next recipe.